Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And today is wash day for Kylie. And I seen a little pre-poo that I'm trying out. So let's get into it, okay? First the girl told me that you needed one avocado. So yeah, I got my little blender and put my avocado in there. I saw it on Instagram, I forgot her name. We also need one egg. I'll probably mention it. I'm gonna have to go back and find it. But she grew her baby hair down her back, and she said she used this before she shampoos her hair. Also putting mayonnaise as well, a little bit of mayo. I'll put how much I put in there. I also cut a aloe vera leaf in half, and I just dipped all of that, and I used olive oil. I really wanted to try coconut oil, but we always use coconut oil, so I was like, you won't get different results unless you try something new. So I was like, okay, let's go with the olive oil. So once everything is mixed, this is what kind of consistency you should have right there. It's very creamy, very loose, not really super thick, but very loose in consistency and creamy. Okay, that's what you want. My girl looking all crazy because I had her take them braids down herself. Okay, I put them in, you take them out. Hello, long as I cut them for you. You don't cut them. Don't put no scissors to your head and mess up what I've been growing, honey. But anyway, yeah, we got this pre-poo and we're gonna try it out, okay? The girl said that she grew her baby hair down her back, okay? And y'all already know me and Kylie love us some inches. So we gonna give it a try. And we trying to get us a little routine in place. So yeah, to improve because you know what I've been doing has getting us where we are, okay? We came from the bottom, let me tell you, literally the scalp. The bottom, the roots of her hair, okay? We had to slick that thing down when she was younger. But yeah, now I've gotten it as far as I think I can get it, and you know, now I'm just trying new things to see if we can get it even longer. Okay, so this is what it looks like once we applied the pre-poo. I did bag her up, and y'all, hello, Walmart bag, don't play with me. It's what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but you can use it for more than one thing. There you go, bam. And this is what it looks like. I let her sit for about 20. And she said 20 minutes, baby. God was up in there about 30 because I really forgot, baby. She had took a shower. I took a shower. And I was like, oh, come on, let me rinse this out your head. So, yeah. And as y'all can see, like, her hair's, waving on up. And it's just rinsing right on out. It didn't leave, like, a residue or anything like that. It's just rinsing right on out of her hair. I made sure I rinsed it all out. Then I just got started with our regular wash day routine. You know, we still use our Shea Moisture Daily Hydration shampoo. And I am just separating her hair, combing it through, making sure I get it good and detangled and giving her just a good wash, baby. Good wash. The Daily Hydration Shea Moisture Shampoo, baby, gonna give me a good lather every time. I love it. I love it. I love it. And her hair is like really clean afterwards. So you know what? I can't go wrong with it. Can't go wrong with it. I am doing research and I want to try a different shampoo. I want to try the Olaplex, the water-based shampoo. I've been seeing that on TikTok, and the girls been going crazy about that. But, I don't know. I want to try too many things at once. We going to stick to what we know and just add this pre-poo. Adding one thing at a time. We got our steamer in rotation. We do that after every other hairstyle. We deep condition. It is about time for a deep condition, but I didn't want to do it this time because I just did the pre-poo. So next hairstyle, we're going to deep condition and, get us a trim and everything else. Trying to stay on our track with our 6 weeks, okay? So, baby, y'all see how she just sent up here tired, honey. I wanted to do what she was doing, but I couldn't. Because baby girl had a photo shoot the next day, and she all of a sudden just flipped the script on me. It was like she wanted to wear her real hair. She wanted to twist out. So I was like, okay. You know how she get in those moments where she wants her fro. So I was like, okay. So I'm going back in with that same technique that I used before. I'm wetting it down with just water and conditioner. Then applying curl balls as I start braiding and then twisting it into individual twists. And let me tell you, this was a bit of a challenge for me because I want my girl to be comfortable in her real hair. And I had to like step back because I was like, Mom, you got a photo shoot. You sure that you don't want me to do like the hairstyle that we were going to do? It was going to be like 2 braided ponytails and I was going to add braided hair. She's like, no, I want to wear my real hair. I want to wear my fro. And I cannot just tell her like, no, you can't. Like, what would be my excuse for making her put braiding hair in her head? So I had to just be like, okay, well, you know what? That's what you want to do. That's what you're gonna feel the most comfortable in. Let's do it, okay? Let's get into it. I just had to like check myself and be like, baby, ain't nothing wrong with her natural hair. She can wear her natural hair for a photo shoot. She's beautiful with or without the braiding hair, okay? So I had to check. I had to like, baby, I had to look in the mirror and was like, girl, you are not gonna force this girl to put no weave in her head if she don't want to. And that's what I did. I said, okay, we gonna rock it out. And actually, it turned out beautiful. She loved her fro. The photo shoot, baby, she was killing it. She was standing out with all the older girls. Look, the youngest one there, giving them face, giving them smiles. I loved it. I can't wait for y'all to see the pictures. And she also has another photo shoot for her birthday. So I was like, okay, girl, look at you warming up. So yeah, my girl said she wanted to rock her fro a little bit more. So that's what we gonna do. I'm gonna have to get up some natural hairstyles and ingredients, and we gonna rock it on out, okay?